Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll continue our SolidWorks basic tutorial series with video number 3, where we will be designing a slotted wedge. Okay, so this is what a slotted wedge looks like. As you can see, the geometry is fully defined. The part is nothing but an inclined surface, a wedge, and there's a slot running right through the middle right here, and therefore they call it a slotted wedge. All dimensions are in millimeters, okay? So it's a pretty simple exercise. It's not that difficult. So, okay, so let's begin with Control, New, which is new solid part. Okay. Let's copy this into SolidWorks. Okay, so yeah, there it is. Let's set the background to plain white. Okay, so let's think about this. I think the best way to model this part would be to draw the profile here on the side, okay, and then extrude. That will create the overall geometry of the part, and then finally use the extruded cut feature to create the slot. Okay, so I think it's a two-step process. It's not going to be that difficult. Okay, so let's select right plane, sketch, put this to the side. And let's begin drawing the overall profile of the right face here. Okay, again, don't worry about the dimensions. The most important thing here is the geometry. Now let's assign dimensions using the Smart Dimension tool. This edge right here has a length of 51 millimeters. This bottom edge here is also 51. This edge is 13 millimeters. This top surface right here is 18. Okay, so yeah, that's it. The geometry of the side profile right here is fully defined. So let's go ahead and extrude that using the Extruded Boss Base feature. And we're going to extrude that to a depth of 102. And select OK. Okay, look at that. Part 1 done. Let's just use the perspective. Step 2 is to create the slot right here. The slot right here. So we're going to select the back face right here. Sketch. And we're going to select the corner rectangle feature and draw a corner rectangle right here. Okay, and then proceed with the Smart Dimension tool. The distance between this edge and this edge is 32 millimeters. The distance between this edge and this edge is also 32. Of course, this edge right here will be automatically 38. The depth of the slot is 18 millimeters. Okay? So finally, use the extrude cut feature. See that? We're going to cut all the way through. Yeah, there you have it. We are done. Exercise number 3 done. It's very simple. Really just consisted of 2 main steps. Let's assign material. Let's go ahead and assign material. So appearances, metals, steel. Again, I like to use cast carbon steel. Okay. Okay, so that concludes video number 3, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you all in video number 4. Until then, bye-bye.